Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Auto-scaling textures in Unity is an essential technique to optimize your game's performance and memory usage, especially when targeting multiple devices with varying screen resolutions. This tutorial will guide you through the process of implementing auto-scaling textures in Unity using C. What is auto-scaling textures? Auto-scaling textures involve adjusting the size of your textures based on the device's resolution or screen size. This approach helps to maintain visual fidelity while ensuring that the application runs smoothly without excessive memory consumption. Steps to implement auto-scaling textures in Unity. 1. Prepare your textures. Ensure that your textures are set up correctly in Unity. You may want to import different resolutions of the same texture and categorize them in folders. 2. Create a texture manager script. This script will handle the loading and scaling of textures based on the screen resolution. 3. Assign textures to objects. Use the script to apply the correctly scaled texture to the game objects in your scene. Step-by-step implementation. Step 1. Prepare your textures. Organize your textures in the Unity project. For example, textures/lowers/texture.png, textures/medium-res/texture.png, textures/high-res/texture.png. Step 2. Create a texture manager script. Create a new C script called texturemanager.cs and add the following code. Step 3. Assign textures to objects. 1. Attach the texture manager script to any game object that you want to apply the texture to. 2. In the inspector, set the texture name field to the name of your texture, without the extension. Example use case. Let's say you want to apply a texture called My Texture. You would set the texture name in the inspector to My Texture. When the game starts, the script will automatically load the appropriate texture based on the current screen resolution. Additional considerations. Resource management. Make sure that the textures you load are optimized and not excessively large, as this can still consume a lot of memory. Memory cleanup. Consider implementing logic to unload textures that are no longer needed to free up memory. You can use resources.unload unused assets for this purpose. Dynamic resolution changes. If your game can change resolutions during gameplay, example when switching between full screen and windowed, you may want to add logic to re-evaluate the texture whenever the resolution changes. Conclusion. Auto-scaling textures in Unity can significantly enhance your game's performance on various devices. By using the provided texture manager script, you can effectively load the appropriate texture based on the device's screen resolution. Adjust and expand upon the script as needed to fit the specific requirements of your game. Happy coding!